Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean a steam iron. A lot of times what happens is your steam iron will get clogged, and people really don't know what to do to clean it out. Some irons have specific instructions to use special iron cleaner. I really think that's a good marketing technique, but all you need is vinegar. Vinegar will clean and unclog almost anything, even drains. Vinegar and baking soda is great for that, so why not use it for your iron, right? What you want to do is fill the reservoir of your iron a fourth of the way full with vinegar. I've already added quite a bit to this one, so I'm just going to add a little bit more. But you want to fill it a quarter of the way up with the vinegar. You want to have a nice clean white cloth, and this is what you're going to use to dispense all of the vinegar out of here. You want to spray and iron and spray and iron and keep doing this until the water reservoir is empty. Next, when it is empty, get distilled water. This will keep it from clogging again, and it'll help rinse it out really well. Rinse all the vinegar out. So pour some distilled water into the reservoir. Fill it all the way with the distilled water. And do the same thing. Spray and iron and spray and iron. And you can even, if you have like a cookie rack or this is a broiler pan, set it on top and just hold the steam button down. You know, just keep spraying it. Keep doing this until it's empty. And once you're done with that, just fill it up with water and it's ready to go. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean a steam iron.